So what I do, one of the first things I do is I look at the top 3 videos and I see, okay, how long are the top 3 videos? The first video is 7 minutes and 52 seconds. The second one is 9 minutes and 46 seconds. And we can see this video right here, which is 10 minutes long. Now I gotta pretty much average those videos. So 7, 9, and 10. So that means if I do a video either a little bit close to the 752 or somewhere at around 8 or 9 minutes, I should be good for ranking. That's the first thing I look at once I determine which 3 are at the top. The second thing I want to do after I figure out how long they are and I average it, I want to look for pattern in the thumbnails. So what we can see right off the bat is we see they have the Logitech C920 in the thumbnail. And it got like C920. That's all it has. Then we look at this second thumbnail, we can see that he's just pretty much like this, right? He has it in his hand and he's saying stop, and he got this like crazy look on his face, right? So after we determine that, then we look at the next one and we say, all right, this one has it in there too. So what I want to do is I want to make sure that in my thumbnail, I have some of the things that they have. So the patterns that I see. Now, the next thing, after you determine the time, you determine the thumbnail and you see the patterns. Now you got to look at the title patterns. So let's take a look at the titles. So Logitech C920 HD webcam review and setup C920 video test. This one says Logitech C920 before you buy. And this one says Logitech C920 how to record and live stream in 1080p. So now what I have to do is I now have to take the patterns that I see, look at a couple of different words and create a super title that's going to allow me to break through. Even if you're a small channel, right? This is how you really break through as a small channel. And this is how I was able to get affiliate commissions leveraging this exact webcam by ranking up at the top of the search engines. And if you know anything about like Amazon affiliate marketing, yes, they don't have like the biggest commission rates, right? I want to say it's up to about 20% at this point, and the highest stuff is all of the Amazon stuff. That's kind of it's kind of crazy how they do that. But all of the rest of the stuff like electronics and stuff like that, you'll get like a 3 to 4% commission on that. So if you sell like $100 webcam, you might get $5, right? So just think about that if you've been thinking about doing like Amazon affiliate marketing. But we grateful for pretty much anything that we make online, right? At least I am. All right, so now we figured out how long the video is. We looked at the pattern thumbnails. We also looked at the title thumbnails. Now, this is the thing. This next thing is the thing that I do that not a lot of other people do. All right, so what I do is I literally click on their video and I watch the first 30 seconds of all 3 videos, because what I'm looking for is somebody that decides that they're going to waste people's time and don't get to the point of the real reason that they clicked on the video. And once I see that a person is wasting the time, they let's say they come on the video like this. All right, hey, my name is blase, 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 boom, 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 boom. And in this video, we're going to do this, right? So they cool at that point. But as soon as the person starts saying like, oh, go ahead and make sure you click that subscribe button, do all this and do all that. Oh, I walk my dog. And as soon as I see any of that stuff, I understand immediately that's going to be my breakthrough. That's going to be my breakthrough. I got to get to the point before they do. And as long as I get to the point before they do, because most people, what they do is they go past 30 seconds. Some people have like a minute intro, a 2-minute intro. Some people I've even seen go 4 minutes without like getting to the point, right? And nobody cares about all of that stuff that was in front of it. They care about what they came to the video for. That's how you can break through as a small channel any time of the day, right? I've tested this. This is why I have multiple channels that I do this on, and I consistently testing to make sure that, you know, what I'm teaching people is actually working, which it works time and time again.